One conversion day, 278. Okay, what a woman I got. In today's episode, window. We will make a frame. Then we will put that frame approximately how it's gonna look, and then we will know that we will cut metal in exactly place where it's supposed to be. For those who are curious how much does it cost, the window itself 300 bucks, 90 degrees angle maker 16, primer for metal 9, crabs 6, primer for window glue 7, glue for window 650, wood 5, glue for frames 9. The total price 360 bucks, not counting tools and work. So for make our frames exactly 90 degrees and without any problems, we got this. This is 90 degrees maker. Lola, how to call it? Angulator. We are in a frame. You know what? I measured this 6 times, so it's 7s. And we have here 80, exactly like it's supposed to be. And here, yeah, we have the same. And last one, 50, 50. All right, we are good to go. That goddamn fire driving me crazy. I decided to take another tool. This body is much more precise than this one. This one going faster, no fire in your eyes, no fire in your body. But it's not that precise, it's going a little bit wavy. I prefer this old trusted body. Done. Here we go. I see. Well, you can do it. Oh yeah! Wow! Congratulations! So right now we will put primer for our glue. This is kind of activator. So the last part, screw this beautiful screws. This is 10 millimeters head, and this give me hope that now when I press it, everything will be all right.
It's the fly.
Fly? Phew. Well, the window is installed and we're going home. Well, I wouldn't say that it was easy. There was some parts which were quite complicated, and well, it is installed. I hope it won't leak. We will see it probably tomorrow when it's gonna be rainy. I hope you enjoyed the episode. It was quite long work, but well, with one everything is going long, you know? Time to go, time to rest. So, as you see, it got rainy. The best time to check it. It doesn't leak. Perfecto.